Okay, this is number two, not number two. This is the second video, and we're gonna go through this real quick. It's getting kind of late. These are just shirts. Some we've shown, bands, of course. We did show that one. Some trunks, another Vans shirt. So we can't really go through all this stuff. A lot of it I don't even know what it is. I mean, I was close. The little dress. Some yoga dancing thing, maybe, I don't know. And then we have one of these, ooh la la, I don't know, some kind of a suit, a thing. We have this. So lots of, I would never know if it's called selfie, I guess. I don't think if it's worth anything. Not much, if anything at all. This one we can't show because it has dirty language on it. This has some pants called Neff. These have some size to it. I don't know how big these are. These are 2X large. They're even big on me, but I would imagine these are not for a man. Maybe it is. I don't know. So then we have, so this is like Forever 21. Oh, this is like, I think they call this a jockey jacket or something like that. We had a big Forever 21 here, but I guess they've all gone out of business. Are they online now? I don't know. So we have that, a little shirt. This jacket is from Alaska, 1959. Is that worth anything? Let's check the pockets, of course. Nothing. The only pocket it has. One on this side too. Nothing. So we have this Forever 21. It's kind of a weird thing. I don't know. I saw this earlier. Don't really know what it is. Like a little jacket thing with short sleeves. Nothing in the pocket. Then we have this. It's got a little like dirty spot on it, but it looks like it's from laying on the ground. And there, it's got these little flowers, and it opens. I guess. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Does the head pop out here? Is it? Yeah, it looks like it's a hoodie. And it has a big pouch right here. Maybe it's for swimming or something. Maybe you put your swimming stuff in the front. Looks like it's kind of like a waterproof thing. And then this is a regular sweatshirt. Universal Thread. Anybody know that brand? It's a sweatshirt. Yeah, we're almost done with the clothes. This is some kind of little jacket. And it is City of Love, Paris. Okay, this is a Paris thing, and the maker is No Comment Girls. A lot of stuff might be like Walmart or something. I did find Walmart bags in there. Old Navy. And it is size extra large, 14 to 16. And it has a price tag on it. No. And this is just a sweatshirt. I don't think I found a maker on this one. Oh yeah, there it is. It's extra small, and it's New Day. Okay, and then we have, I don't think I'm gonna go through, well, I don't know. Okay, these are toys again. Big bag of toys. I'm gonna open it, and then I'm gonna see real quick if we see anything. I'm gonna put my scissors over here. My scissors are not there anymore. So let me just break it. Okay, this has like a couple bags. It's got a jump rope. It's got some headphones. Oh, it's got some headphones. Those are the gaming headphones. Game Pro. Yeah, this has got a bag of heavier, I mean, harder stuff, you know, where it's not like flush. This right on top. Let's take that out. This might be all plush. We have a ball just fell on the ground. First up, maybe it's an apple. There's a dog, I guess, wearing a mermaid thing. Put it in my pocket. And it's got another one of these squishy balls. So I don't know. Or we can find a gaming unit. I don't think so. This guy, a ring pop. Poor chocolate Easter bunny, seen better days. A jump rope. This is one of the jump ropes you get, you know, like a prize at a kid's party, maybe. Brand new colored pencils. Big jumbo eraser. This is all like new in packaging. So we got this dog. Is it a dog? Yeah, it's a dog wearing like a hat. Yeah, a lot of this stuff, like I said, I'll bundle it up. And this is bright blue ink. I think I'm going to toss that real quick because I don't want that to get on anything. Ring pops, a book, a big spider. We found a small spider before. He moves somehow. Oh, no. It might need batteries. It's by Terra. Yeah, I don't really know how to start it. Oh, there. Oh. It's got lights. Well, it does have a battery. Legs move. So I'm sure it works. Another one of these squishy guys. This time it's a sheep. And then we got FD Teal, the comic with big comic books. Is any of this stuff worth anything? That I don't know. Flashlight. Another squishy guy. I think I'll put all this stuff away later. I'm getting really tired. You gotta worry about. This looks like something you get from like a Chuck E. Cheese or something. As a gift. It must have swam a lot because a lot of goggles. And that's it for this little hardened bag. And lanky box. Yeah, more Squishmallows. Maybe I'll put all the Squishmallows together. I just got so many Squishmallows. I don't know their value. So if you know their value, please let me know. Maybe I'll check each one if they're not worth a whole lot. This is Disney. So, yeah, I'll check them. I don't know what this thing is. This is Sensory Plusharoo. See, a lot of these I haven't even heard of, but there's so many stuffed animals. They got a jelly inside. It's called Jelly Babies. See, some of those companies might be worth some money. I don't really know. But I got a lot. That's not my dog, so that's not my circus. That's not my monkeys. That's not my circus. Super Mario. Is it a beaver? He doesn't have a name tag on him or anything. Maybe a beaver. We got this guy. Is it a bee guy? Alpha Mo or something like that. I don't know. We got this guy. Is he an anime guy? Is he a chef? An anime chef? We got a cool bunny. It looks like it'd be cool to put on your dashboard. We got the monsters. Yes, I don't know if anything is worth anything, so I'll just check them individually, and then I'll put them in a box, and then put like some marshmallows or whatever it's called, squishmallows lot, and then this is Disney, and maybe put together a little Disney lot. We don't have maybe 2 Disney things, and then we got this guy. He's a Fuzzamallows. So all of these are in a big pile. It looks like we have shoes next, and that's it. So if any of those things are worth anything, please let me know. There's still the hats. I do not. We have hats. We have LA Kings, maybe worth something. Smiley face. I doubt worth anything. Raising Cane's. Do you like their chicken? We have Dodgers. Oh, we have 2 more bags. LA Dodgers. Let me get a smaller bag, and then we'll go to the shoes. We just have this bag. Ooh, back. This gooey ball, everything sticks to it. And it fell again. Okay, here we got a book, Molly's story, it fell. Black & Decker kid tool set, maybe complete, I don't know. Sure, that's worth something, couple bucks. I don't think anything in here is worth nothing. Oh, there's more tools in here. Oh, it's all Black & Decker set. You must have been a really small kid to be able to hold that tool belt, or maybe it goes on a doll. Black & Decker hat. Black & Decker measuring tape. So that was a book, and it's all Black & Decker. So now for the last bag. It's fun to do this, but then you get kind of tired too. Definitely, there's some value to this whole situation. Trying to see if I can save a bag. I'll probably convert all this to trash anyhow. So, yeah, this does appear to be toys. I mean, yeah, shoes and something, and something that looks like it plugs in. Has ears on it. Oh, it's this thing. Is it a vaporizer? It appears to be like a vaporizer. You put the water in here and it comes out here. They could have value. I don't know. CVS. Oops. Now we got some case-with shoes. These are small. These are not the same size as the other one. These are USA size 1. Oops. I think we got some of those generic Uggs. Maybe not next to each other. Yeah, these are in good shape. These look like the kind of generic Ugg type thing. Size USA 1. You know, so a little kid. We got boots. And these are, it says something and a half. 9.5, I guess. Well, look at those. Although, I think I'll bring those into film to show how much you'll laugh. She'll laugh if she'll want them, right? Here's the other one of that bear paw. These look brand new. I think they are. I don't think anything's been worn. These tall boots are 9.5, like I said. Here's the other one of that. These are 9.5. Now, I don't know if that's 9.5 US. I don't know. So I had to put a kind of disclaimer. Not sure. You know. LA King slides. They're not in great shape. Well, that's all. Then we got Schultz. Size 9.5B. So yeah, probably US 9.5. And these are Sam Edelman. And there's a straight 9. I think we found that one earlier. They're in really bad shape. Not everything we can donate though. Well, we should. We can donate anything we want, but they're not gonna want those. The other LA Kings. Look at this. This one's good condition, and this one is in bad condition. It looks like someone maybe stepped in something. And then we have Vans. Yeah, Vans Pro 7.5. And this just says all kinds of stuff on it. This is Cliff's White Mountain. I'm not sure if everything has a match. We do have these. Michael Kors. 8.5. In okay condition, not great. Those are Vans. May not have a match that one. In the shoe business, we call that the mate. Here's the other one, that White Mountain. And here is not that one. Here is a 9 West. So we don't have the match to that one. We have some, like, these are, if they've worn these, they wore them once, kind of thing. Look at the tread. And that's it. That is it. Did we find some things worth money? I think we did. Is everything worth money? I think it is not. So I'm going to go in here, and boy, I'm kind of sleepy. I might take a 30-minute nap. I'll find the dumpsters are back. If they are, I'm going to dump out all the trash. I'm going to bag up all the Squishmallow stuff and try to separate everything. It's going to be a long process. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget, please subscribe, like, share. Give me your comments down below. Is there anything you liked that we showed? Would you like to go treasure hunting at a storage unit? I think they said that this unit was $80. I'll tell you now, I was going to kind of leave with $80 with the tax and everything, but it comes at about $106, and we have a few $100s for the stuff here, easy. So I'm going to sign off now. Take care.